Sabi dito, in this world, it is not enough to be moral. And I agree with that. Unfortunately and unhappily, Jesus Christ has no advantage over Genghis Khan, because if you are strong enough, ruthless enough, and powerful enough, evil will overcome good. And I agree with that. Okay? Now, excluding the, the afterlife concept, mga powers, God powers, kuno. If you have a values, 'di ba? Gusto mo ng magandang society, gusto mo ng ganito, ganyan. Hindi mo makukuha yung ganon unless you have the power to do so. What do I mean? I'll give you an example. Nanalo tayo sa arbitration ng West Philippine Sea. O sige, tangina, sa atin daw yung West Philippine Sea. Ngayon, ang problema doon is paano mo i-impose yung ganong klaseng ruling kung wala ka namang lakas. 'Di ba? Another example is kinuha nung bully, malaki katawan, yung lunch mo, and paano mo may impose yung justice or yung tama kung hindi mo naman kayang agawin sa kanya physically yung baon mo or yung lunch mo, diba? Of course, you could ask other people to help you, but of course you're going to keep in mind na may interest din sila. What's in it for them? Like for example, Amerika. Tingin mo ba basta-basta papayag ang Amerika na magamit yung resources nila into gaining yung resources natin? Like nang walang ibang kapalit. Di ba? That's naivety. Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.
This is Pinoy Extreme.